Okay, so we pulled up a file called Practice XMAP. In Moodle, it's called Second Fixed Asset Practice. The first thing you need to do is go change 2017 to 2018 in H4, and then E8 through E13, change the acquisition date to 2018. Leave the covenant not to compete the same, and then just go delete D19. Just delete that. Now, first thing to pay attention to, we have taxable income of $21,000. So this is obviously a small or a fairly low income enterprise that spent a, happy Thanksgiving, dear, that spent a lot of money this year, obviously probably borrowed most of it, and so they're looking poised to scale up, okay? So this is a great example of somebody that I'm not going to take bonus or 1/7. I'm going to try and get them as close to 0 TI as I can. So the first thing we're doing together is we're calculating depreciable basis on the commercial building. I see there's an asterisk next to it. So you go down, assume that the settlement charges or closing costs are 2% of the cost of the building, and then 12% of that is allocable to land. So we're just spending a few moments going and doing this very first row on the building. Then you have to look at all the other property purchased this year in June and July, and you have to ascertain whether or not they're half year or mid-quarter. If they're half year, yay, easy peasy. I get to just go to the tables, right? If they're mid-quarter, I got to figure out which quarter they're purchased in and then go to that little bit more complicated table. With the car, it is assumed to be used 75% for business. So pay attention. This one is the only one, the car is the only one that I'm going to take some bonus on. So you're going to look at the limits for a first year auto, used 75%, bonus and makers. You don't know how to do covenant not to compete, so don't do that one. We've got to learn about how we amortize intangibles. You honestly don't know that yet. So I'm going to turn off the recording well, maybe I'll do some of the math here. Is that what you guys got for depreciable basis on the commercial building? Yeah. Great. So I popped it up by 2% because I had to add the closing costs onto the basis, right? But then only 88% of it is depreciable because the other 12% is allocable to land. Does that make sense? What is my percentage for first year purchase? And you got that from the 39-year table? Ooh, I got this wrong. I'm sorry, tell me the percentage again. And it is not a 39-year asset.
I mean, it is right, it's commercial.
It's a 39-year asset, yeah?
Yeah.
This column right here, FYI, is what I tie out to my financial statements, to my balance sheet. For all my clients, and most of what you'll see, the financial AD is going to tie out to your tax AD, and this is a double reconciliation check. All right, so you got about
12 minutes, 13 minutes to work. Yeah.
I'm not sure what this is. Let's get rid of that 18,000 too. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's a auto sum that I put. So Amanda and Brooke, go ahead, do as much of this as you can for Tuesday, but not the covenant not to compete, because we don't know how to do that yet.